Samsung continues to announce its new phones in all price categories and announces the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G F series phone. Inshallah, through the video, we will learn about all the specifications and contents of the box. Finally, we will learn about the price of the Galaxy F55 phone. Let's get to the details. Welcome my friends and sisters again. We will first talk about the date of the announcement of the phone, its release in the markets. The mobile phone was announced on May 17, 2024. It will be issued on May 24, 2024. Normal specifications. The weight of the phone is 180 grams. The thickness is 7.8 millimeters. The phone is made of leather for the back and the frame is plastic. The Galaxy F55 supports two 5G SIM cards. The phone supports a fingerprint embedded at the bottom of the screen, and supports facial recognition. It supports accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. NFC technology also supports the OTG function. It also supports photo, video and document editor. As for the Android 14 operating system with the One UI 6 interface. Mobile colors: orange and black. Key specifications. First, the battery. It comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 45-watt fast wired charging, and the Type-C charging port. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes in more than one version. The first version is 8GB RAM with 128GB memory. The second version is 8GB RAM with 256GB memory. The third version is 12GB RAM with 256GB memory. The phone does not support the installation of a memory card. Screen specifications. The screen comes from the Super AMOLED Plus type with full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. The brightness is 1000 nits, the pixel density is 393 pixels per inch, and supports night mode and eye protection. The screen colors are great. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 octa-core with 4nm manufacturing technology. Cameras. The rear is triple with LED flash. The first lens is 50 megapixel with an aperture of 1.8 and supports the WA optical stabilizer. The second lens is 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture for ultra-wide photography. The third lens is 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture for macro photography to zoom in on fine objects. The rear camera supports HDR, panorama and 4K video shooting with a resolution of 2160 pixels with a capture rate of 30 and 60 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 50 megapixel with an aperture of 2.4. It supports shooting 4K videos with a resolution of 2160 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Great front camera performance. Summary. The processor is great and powerful in any use, especially in heavy games. The Super AMOLED Plus screen has fast and smooth performance thanks to its 120 Hz refresh rate. The rear and front cameras are of high quality and consistent colors. They support shooting videos in 4K quality, making the image highly detailed and elegant. The battery is powerful and lasts for a long time in all uses and a fast charger. The contents of the phone box. Phone shipper user guide, USB Type-C cable, SIM card slot opening, pin warranty. There are some markets where the case comes without the charger head. Priced. The price of the phone is for the 8GB RAM and 256GB version at around $385, and this is the world price. Note that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. At the price, we will have finished the video. I hope you liked it. Do not skimp on support, like the video, follow us and do the bell to receive everything new in the mobile world.